Okay, now let us look at speech defects. Speech defects are normally called aphasia. Okay, what is aphasia? Defective speech. Speech defect. Say aphasia.
Aphasia.
Perfect. So, if in spoken speech you have any problem, see, look at the words here. You have fluent aphasia, non-fluent aphasia, global aphasia, slurring or scanning speech. So, definitely you can say, no, he's not fluent, non-fluent, he's fluent, slurring of speech. All this is related to spoken speech. Fine. If vernix area has problem, you will have fluent aphasia. That means the person is able to speak, right? Because there is no problem with motor system. Only sensory system has problem. So the person is fluent. But it really doesn't make sense what that person is talking because he didn't even understand what you said, right? So that is, if vernix area has problem, you have fluent aphasia. Say fluent.
Fluent aphasia.
Perfect. Okay. So now if Broca's area has problem, that means that person is not able to speak properly. So here you have non-fluent aphasia. Say non-fluent aphasia.
Aphasia.
So non-fluent aphasia is because of problem in Broca's area. Fine. If vernix area and Broca's area have problem, you will have global aphasia. Say global aphasia.
Global aphasia.
Very good. Now you have slurring of speech. You must have heard a lot of slurred speech, right? That is because of cerebellar dysfunction. Fine, remember. Say cerebellar dysfunction. So slurring of speech is because of cerebellar dysfunction. Fine. Now let us understand the problems in written speech. Fine. Written speech, let us understand the problems. In written speech, if de Journey's area is affected, then if de Journey's area is affected, you cannot read. Let us say you are not able to read the question properly. Then why is that? In the exam, you can't read the question properly. That is because of de Journey's area. It is called as anomic aphasia. Anomic aphasia. Say anomic. Anomic aphasia. Okay, where the de Journey's area is not able to read properly. Okay, where is de Journey's area? Do you remember? In the angular gyrus, right? You can see the area 39. That is de Journey's area. So de Journey area, angular gyrus. Say
what angular gyrus?
It's the area of the brain. Say area 39.
Area 39.
Correct. De Journey area. So if there's a problem with this area, which is the sensory area for written speech, that is you can read because of de Journey's area. If you are not able to read, then you have anomic aphasia, right? You have anomic aphasia. What is dyslexia? So dyslexia is another disorder of written speech where it's actually inherited. Dyslexia is inherited. So dyslexia is inherited abnormality. It is characterized by the impaired ability to read. So the person cannot read properly again. And they have a reduced ability to recall speech also. Fine. Say dyslexia.
Dyslexia.
Correct. Dyslexia. It is inherited. Say inherited. Inherited. Herited. Okay. So these are the disorders of speech. I hope you understood. Let's revise. So look at the disorders of speech. They are called aphasia. Say aphasia.
Aphasia.
Okay. So in spoken speech, you have the following disorders. You have fluent aphasia. Fluent aphasia. Then you have non-fluent aphasia. Say non-fluent. Non-fluent aphasia. Then you have global aphasia where vernix area and Broca's area are affected. So vernix area, if it's affected, you will get fluent aphasia. If Broca's area is affected, you will get non-fluent aphasia. If both of these are affected, you will get global aphasia. Then you have, if cerebellar dysfunction is there, you will have slurring of speech, scanning speech. Okay. Now in written speech, what and all are the disorders? Anomic aphasia because of de Journey's area not being able to read, and then you have dyslexia, which is inherited disorder, unable to read again. Fine? Good.